Meet Swati Singh, young, lovely, just like a girl next door. But she's not a girl, just ordinary. Her feet made her extraordinary. Till a few years back, she was acrophobic, but she controlled and overpowered her fear. And that made her successful, win NCC Para Wings, and brought laurel to her family. Now, India is proud of Swati Singh. Swati Singh and her father, Colonel Birendra Singh, an Indian Army artillery officer, created a history on 23rd November 2016. Swati Singh is senior under officer in NCC, while her father, Colonel Birendra Singh, is also currently serving in National Cadet Corps. For the first time, both father-daughter have para-jumped from a height of 12,500 feet from AN-32 aircraft at 1100 hours on 23rd November.
Every year, the NCC organizes a para jump camp, which is conducted twice a year. I got an opportunity to be a part of it, and it was a wonderful experience. It was breathtaking, it was very adventurous at that time, it was very emotional. Being a part of the NCC, you get to go for 3 jumps. So my first jump was on 21st November, followed by 22nd November, and the third jump, which was on 23rd November, I did it with my father, and it was a great experience.
Everyone fears, but those who overpower their fear get success. NCC cadet Swati Singh is one of those.
I remember we were in Raiwala at that point of time when I wanted to learn swimming. And I always had this fear of height where I could not jump from the plank. So, Papa used to always tell me that Swati, you have to overcome your fears after a certain point of time in your life. So, when I came to know about the para jumps, I thought that okay, this is the point of time when you have to overcome your fear, and I have to do it. Because all my life I've seen Papa his maroon beret, so I wanted to do it. So I was confident about myself that I can do it, and I did it. I also remember that before leaving for Agra, we were standing at the station and Papa looked at me and he said that Swati, डर सबको लगता है, आपको डर पे काबू करना आना चाहिए. So at that point of time when I was standing and I was looking at the ground from such a height, all I remember was you have to overcome your fear, and I did that.
While being in NCC, Swati Singh made 3 jumps at Paratroopers Training School at Agra. Here, she got her basic skydiving training that involved the control of speed during the descent and use of parachute. Here, she learned as how to control free fall with the aid of gravity when the parachute has not been deployed and the body gradually accelerates to terminal velocity. Fear of death can send chill through spine at that height. But Swati, who couldn't jump from a 12 feet plank of swimming pool, mustered courage to jump from 12,500 feet height 2 times alone and on 23rd November with her father Colonel Birendra Singh.
I come from a defense background. My forefathers have been a part of the armed forces, and once you're a part of the armed forces, you've lived that kind of lifestyle, you get to learn a lot. You're always motivated to do something in life that makes your family proud, and I don't think there is anything that can make someone prouder than being a part of the armed forces and serving the way your family has been served for such a long time. So it does help you, like being from a defense background, it obviously helps you because in a certain way you can understand things in a better way. That is what I believe. And since I've been with my parents and I've grown up in such an environment, it's always motivated me and helped me grow.
डर के आगे जीत है. Paraphrase was realized owing to the training Swati Singh got at NCC.
RDC really helps you grow as a person. Initially when you're in your first year of NCC, you come to know about certain camps. When you come to second year of your NCC, you get a chance to be a part of these camp and learn things. RDC is a platform where you not only learn things but you also come to know about the culture of other states. You make new friends, you learn about unity, you learn about teamwork, you get to know more about how things are outside your bubble. I believe there's a bubble that everybody forms, but once you get outside, once you come out of that bubble, you get to learn new things. So RDC is that platform where you learn. So it's been a learning experience here.
NCC provides opportunity for adventure to all the cadets. Recently, 9 girl cadets along with 2 GCIs went on top of Mount Everest, which is a world record. NCC enthuses a spirit of adventure and sportsman spirit in the cadets so that they do well in life. Swati has done us proud by doing a para jump along with her father, who's also posted in the NCC. You will also be surprised to know that there is one more girl, Tanupriya, who is an Air Force cadet, who has also done the same feat with her father, who is in the Air Force. And they have also done a para jump recently. In fact, most of our girls are doing very well and coming forward for various other adventure activities, and we are so proud of all these girl cadets.
Like every girl dreaming for a nice career, para-winged Swati Singh wants to be an Indian Army officer. She wants to fight for the nation behind the enemy lines.
I want to be an army officer. I want to join the forces. And I want to serve my nation. That is what I'm preparing for right now.